In the realm of academia, the title professor holds a venerable place, signifying not just a position of authority but also a commitment to knowledge, teaching, and scholarly pursuits. The journey to becoming a professor is one of intellectual rigor, perseverance, and a passion for the subject matter. This passage delves into the multifaceted world of academia, exploring the various facets that define a professor and the unique responsibilities they bear. The path to becoming a professor is marked by an arduous academic journey that often begins with a deep-seated love for a particular field of study. Aspiring professors embark on a quest for knowledge, pursuing undergraduate and graduate degrees to attain expertise in their chosen discipline. This journey is characterized by rigorous coursework, research endeavors, and mentorship under seasoned academics who guide and shape the intellectual growth of the aspiring scholars. A pivotal moment in the life of a budding professor is the decision to pursue a PhD. This doctoral journey is a formidable undertaking that involves original research, scholarly writing, and a comprehensive understanding of the existing body of knowledge in the chosen field. The dissertation, a magnum opus of original research, becomes the crowning achievement, showcasing the candidate's ability to contribute meaningfully to the academic discourse. Upon successful completion of the doctoral program, the newly minted PhD enters the realm of academia with the coveted title of doctor. However, the transition from doctoral candidate to professor is not immediate. Many scholars undertake postdoctoral research or gain teaching experience as adjunct faculty to further refine their skills and build a robust academic portfolio. The ultimate goal for many academics is to secure a tenure-track position. Tenure, a status granted by the institution, signifies a long-term commitment to the professor, acknowledging their contributions to research, teaching, and service. Attaining tenure is a culmination of years of dedication, scholarly output, and the ability to make a lasting impact in one's academic field. The role of a professor extends beyond the confines of a classroom or lecture hall. While teaching is a fundamental aspect of their responsibilities, professors are also expected to engage in research and contribute to the academic community's body of knowledge. This dual commitment to teaching and research forms the foundation of the professorial role, creating a symbiotic relationship between the acquisition of knowledge and its dissemination. In the classroom, professors play a pivotal role in shaping the minds of the next generation. Through lectures, discussions, and assignments, they impart not only factual information but also critical thinking skills and a passion for lifelong learning. A professor's ability to inspire and mentor students is a hallmark of their effectiveness in the educational landscape. The research component of a professor's role involves delving into uncharted territories of knowledge, pushing the boundaries of understanding, and contributing novel insights to the academic community. Research projects, scholarly publications, and conference presentations are the currency of the academic realm, and professors are continually engaged in the pursuit of knowledge that advances their field. The life of a professor is not without its challenges. The academic landscape is often marked by fierce competition for research funding, tenure-track positions, and publication opportunities. The pressure to publish in reputable journals, secure research grants, and maintain a balance between teaching and research can be daunting. However, it is this very crucible of challenges that forges resilient and resourceful academics. Beyond their roles as educators and researchers, professors are often called upon to contribute to the broader academic community through service. This can take various forms, including serving on committees, participating in academic conferences, and engaging in outreach activities. The willingness of professors to contribute their time and expertise to the collective betterment of their academic community is a testament to their commitment to the advancement of knowledge. The impact of a professor extends far beyond the walls of academia. Through their research, they contribute to the development of new technologies, advancements in medicine, breakthroughs in the arts, and a deeper understanding of the human experience. The ripple effect of their teachings reaches into society, shaping the perspectives and knowledge base of generations to come. The digital age has brought about transformative changes in the landscape of academia. Professors now navigate a terrain where online education, virtual conferences, and collaborative research across borders are commonplace. The ability to adapt to these technological shifts is a crucial skill for modern professors, ensuring their continued relevance in an ever-evolving educational landscape. The diversity of academic disciplines means that the role of a professor varies across fields. In the sciences, professors may lead laboratory research teams, conduct experiments, and publish findings in peer-reviewed journals. In the humanities, they may delve into historical archives, analyze literature, or engage in philosophical discourse. The interdisciplinary nature of academia allows professors to collaborate across disciplines, fostering a rich tapestry of knowledge exchange. The mentorship aspect of a professor's role is integral to the development of future scholars. As mentors, professors guide students and junior faculty, offering support and advice on navigating the complex landscape of academia. Mentorship goes beyond academic matters, encompassing professional development, work-life balance, and the cultivation of ethical and responsible research practices. While the title professor is universally recognized, the specific requirements and expectations associated with the role may vary from country to country and even among institutions. Cultural nuances, institutional norms, and disciplinary standards all contribute to the unique flavor of academia in different parts of the world. Despite these variations, the overarching commitment to the pursuit of knowledge unites professors across borders. In conclusion, the title professor encapsulates a profound commitment to the pursuit of knowledge, the art of teaching, and the advancement of scholarship. The journey to becoming a professor is marked by intellectual curiosity, perseverance, and a dedication to contributing meaningfully to the academic community. As stewards of knowledge, professors shape the minds of future generations, push the boundaries of understanding through research, and contribute to the collective wisdom of humanity. The title professor is not just a designation, it is a symbol of a lifelong dedication to the noble pursuit of education and enlightenment.